Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover some Klima DAO updates. We have the minting conference, we have some Sushi Swap partnerships, super important. We are going to check a little bit the price and what to expect on that. If you are not familiar with Klima DAO, you can see my video. We have amazing potential in this project, and we are going to cover the last news of this project in this video. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, if you don't know what Klima DAO is, I recommend you to see this video, Klima DAO Amazing Potential, where I explain that and something about the price action that we could experience in the next bull run for Klima DAO. So check that video, you can search it here in my YouTube page, because you need to understand the potential of the project to understand these partnerships. So first, the price action. Of course, the chart of Klima DAO is super awful. We launched it in the market at the end of 2021. So when the bear market started to appear in the crypto space, and we have been just trending down. The one thing to recall here is if we are going to go lower or not. That is the question right now. If that is answering by Bitcoin, is Bitcoin already bottom or not? The one thing that we can say is that Klima DAO hit $2.8 when Bitcoin hit $70,000. And right now Bitcoin is trying to hold support of $20,000. So I will wait a little bit, because right now we are at $3.7. We have some support here, like you can see. But our next level of support, it will be basically the $3.06 for support and below that. So I will wait what Bitcoin does in order to see if it's a moment to buy this token or not. The other things is that the stochastic RSI is for the floor already since August 15, so we don't have really too much momentum to go to the downside. In the other side, we still have some momentum like we have when we hit below $3. So that is the only thing that is retraining me to start some positions on Klima DAO for the long term. So in terms of price action, I recommend you to wait a little bit what will happen with Bitcoin in order to know if we can go lower or not. Klima DAO, it's a position 581. And this project has been also recommended by Mark Cuban. He's one of the Shark Tank integrators. He's a billionaire, super bullish in crypto, and he is also bullish in Klima DAO. Like you can see in my video of Klima DAO Amazing Potential, Mark Cuban speaks about Klima DAO in that video, so I put the audio there. It's an amazing comment about Klima DAO and why it's an amazing project. Klima DAO has their own app where you can stake the Klima tokens. You can rebase those tokens to get more earnings. In terms of community, 70k followers. I really like the Twitter, it's really up to date. It's not like one of those projects that only posts retweets or another comments. We actually have news around the ecosystem. And the best news and latest news is that yesterday they finished in the minted, the Malaysia first NFT conference. Get ready to be part of the first ever minted conference where NFTs artists and communities meet and share knowledge. That's 7 days packed with activations, airdrops, conferences, and more. Minted is a place to discover NFTs and the endless possibilities it brings. This was from the 22 to the 28th of August, so finished it yesterday. And Klima DAO was there. Minted has almost 12k followers. And Klima DAO was there actually as one of the keynote announcements. We had Peter Nosfen talking about sustainability in the NFT space. And he demoed Minted's love letter to the planet and 1,000 tons of carbon offsets. And in this, Klima Infinity joins the Minted conference, hosting 1,500 attendants during 2 main days and 4,000 over the week. Minted is setting the green standard for the global in-person events industry, which generates hard-to-avoid emissions from travel, catering, materials, and waste. Using Klima Infinity, Minted is taking a two-part approach to their climate pledge. First, a 75-ton offset to cover Scope 2 emissions, Minted staff and conference speakers. And second, a further 1000 tons during an interactive offsetting session on stage 28 of August. So actually minted using Klima Infinity in the event itself. That is super amazing. And if you want to know a little bit more about Klima DAO and the using in the crypto space, I recommend you to see this video, this YouTube video for Upstream. I will put the link on the description, where Sizgi from Klima DAO actually talks really well with Alona Shchevenko here. So I will put the link of this in the description. And moving into another news, we have some new acquisitions on the team. The Klima DAO appoints Alec Inkstone as a strategic advisor. Klima DAO, as the leading solution for carbon credits on the blockchain, has announced the appointment of Alec Inkstone, former CFO at the Rainforest Alliance, as a strategic advisor. Inkstone has deep experience working within the environmental space, where he has been influential in growing NGOs Pact and the Rainforest Alliance critical work in protecting vulnerable ecosystems across the globe. As a strategic advisor, Inkstone will provide valuable insight to the development of Klima DAO strategic direction. Why I think this is important, this was last week, because we are in a bear market. So any company that is bringing more people, more advisors into the project and ecosystem, I think that is a great point during a bear market. A bear market are points for real companies to start building for the next step, the next phase. So bringing more people, even advisors, I think is very good news for the ecosystem. And the biggest news for this video was the partnership with Sushi Swap. It's one of the biggest decentralized exchanges of the Ethereum ecosystem, and we have a partnership with Klima DAO that Sushi Swap will offer an option-in solution for users and protocols who are looking to reduce their carbon footprint. As the first major DEX to offer this solution, Sushi enables green thinking individuals by giving them the ability to reduce their carbon impact when transacting on chain. What Sushi will be serving up? Well, the proposed implementation of Klima DAO offsetting solution will be going live on Polygon, and it's safe to say that if user demand exists, Sushi could be swayed to bring this solution to other chains. And the solution is not only for users. Sushi will be looking to provide options for protocols to incorporate Klima DAO's Klima Infinity solution into their platform offering. This will give protocols the choice to factor their footprint into their costs, if they indeed see the value in reducing their emissions impact. And Klima Infinity is a solution for companies, for big protocols. This is what we want, that get more traction and more companies start to use Klima Infinity. And this is like you see here, like a first intent of Sushi Swap to get the partnership of Klima DAO live for users and protocols. So let's hope that this works out, because if that works out, I think many of another decentralized exchanges will start to bring this technology also, and that will pump a lot the Klima DAO presence in the crypto space. Guys, that's all the last news for Klima DAO right now. If you like this video and you like Klima DAO, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notification. I will bring all up-to-date information about this project and ecosystem. And if you didn't saw my previous video, you will understand better what Klima DAO is here. So check this video that you will see here at the end. That will be all. Remember to follow me at CryptoState in Twitter, where I bring trade alerts and more information during the days. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.